Do you lack trust in yourself? I've heard many of my clients say, I don't trust myself. I used to not trust myself too. Like I would have the best intentions, but then something would happen and I'd be like, why did I even think that was going to work? What was I thinking? And then I'd feel bad about it for days, weeks, months, years, for a very long time. That's what happens when you don't trust yourself. We become our own worst enemies, and we beat ourselves up over every little decision and never give ourselves any credit for all the good stuff that we do. That's not fun, and it's not healthy, and it's not necessary. It's not the right way to live life. Hey, I'm Matt Sherman, and welcome to Geek Psychology, where I help geeks, gamers, and creatives to play life better. Listening to yourself, learning to trust yourself, is a lot like learning to trust somebody else. And if you can't trust yourself, then who can you trust? So how do we learn to trust ourselves? Well, there are two words at the root of intuition. In and tuition. As in to train or learn, tuition, from within. And this is the key to having the trust to learn from yourself. To know that all of these learnings about how to deal with life come from within you. And when you know that, then you can actually get these new lessons to re-educate yourself in any situation. So here's something that you can do. Think of someone who you admire. It could be a friend, a partner, family member, somebody that you just, imagine are a good person or has these qualities that you like. Now think of what qualities that they have that make them admirable, whether it's their confidence, their motivation, their reliability, their ability to listen to other people, whatever it is. And once you've identified these qualities, see if there are any situations in your life where you are lacking those traits. And then you're going to want to leverage neuroplasticity and imagine and fully pretend to see yourself on a stage, acting out one of those situations. I learned the beautiful distinction between these two words, imagine and pretend, from internationally acclaimed master hypnotist and author Igor Ledachovsky. So imagine is passive, pretend is active. So it's utilizing more of your brain and your mind. So anyway, see yourself struggling through a situation. Then pretend that you and the person that you admire pause the situation in whatever way works best for you, and then go up to the stage and coach that version of you that's on the stage. Tell that version of you how to breathe, how to stand, coach them on what to think, what to say, what to do, then play through the situation again, pause and re-educate yourself every time that you need in order to make it a flawless performance. So when you've done that, when you're done, give yourself a big hug and merge the actor version of yourself in with the real version of you. Lock in all those wonderful, amazing, powerful, positive changes, and then notice how great you feel. So now your brain has been given more choices for how to act and what to do in those situations. You've used your mind to teach yourself a new way of behaving. You taught yourself how to behave differently. Do you realize what you've done? You already know how to do it. You have the patterns and archetypes within you to do most of the stuff that you want to do. Of course, I'm not talking about brain surgery or flying an airplane or anything like that. So because you can do this re-intuiting of yourself, and you have an endless amount of positive lessons that you can teach yourself, you are infinitely powerful. And I don't know about you, but I definitely trust the version of myself that already knows how to do anything he wants. If you want more help with this, go to geekpsychology.com and check out some of my courses, or schedule a strategy call to see if we're a good fit for one-on-one coaching, personalized coaching with me. Good luck, have fun. Peace.